Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can unblock blocked contact on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, follow the step. First, you want to open your Snapchat and click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, you can click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. And once you're inside your setting, you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option called blocked, alright? So search for it, and once you see this option called blocked user, click on blocked user. And all the people you have blocked on your Snapchat is going to be shown. Now to unblock them is pretty simple. Right beside their name you can see the little cross icon. Just click on it and click on yes. Once you do that, they will be unblocked, and the moment they are unblocked, they will be removed from this list. So once they are removed from this list, you will automatically know they are unblocked, because all the people you have blocked are going to be on this list. So if you don't see a name over here, that means you haven't blocked them. So let me just unblock this as well by clicking on the X, clicking on yes, and now that person has also been unblocked. That's basically how you guys can unblock a blocked contact on your Snapchat. But remember, if you have blocked them, then only you can unblock them. If that person has blocked you, then you cannot unblock yourself. That person has to unblock you themselves, alright? This is basically how it works. But yeah, that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.